everyone, and welcome to this new AutoCart tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to automatically add a product to the cart when an order reaches a specific amount and apply a discount to it. Let's get started. From the AutoCart dashboard, click the Create New Rule button. To create a rule that adds a product to the checkout, you need to use checkout automation. Remember, to create automation at checkout, it's mandatory to have a Shopify Plus membership. In the title area, enter the rule name. In the Conditions menu, click and select the cart total condition. Next, select the parameter to verify. In our case, we will choose greater or equal and define the amount we want to verify, let's 1,000. To select the product to add at checkout, click the Browse button in the Product to Add area, and with our picker, choose the desired product from your store's inventory. You can define which variants to add automatically and set the quantities for each variant here. Great! Next, decide the discount amount to apply to the product. Enable the switch in the Give Discount on Selected Products section. This will open two new fields, one to enter the message to display to the customer, and another to define the discount percentage applied only to the product added to the cart. In our case, let's give a 50% discount, so we'll write 50 here. Now the product will have a 50% discount. Perfect, now scroll up to save the rule. Returning to the dashboard, the rule is already active, as you can see here. You can easily turn off this automation by toggling this button. The Keep Alive button ensures the added product remains in the cart with the discount applied, even if the conditions are no longer met. Now let's see how the rule works in the store. I select and buy a product, then I add products to reach our specified amount of 1,000, and go to the checkout page. As we can see, the selected product is added to the cart automatically, and the 50% discount is applied. But if I remove a product from the cart, so that the conditions are no longer met, the added product is automatically removed from the cart as per AutoCart automation. With just a few clicks, AutoCart lets you automatically add discounted products and more for your customers based on the conditions you set. Ready to improve your customers' shopping experience? Activate any plan and remember, you have a 7-day free trial to test it out. If you need assistance, our support team is always here to help.